What's up, everybody? It's your boy Benny here at STP Diesel, and here we go again with another quick shop action episode. And today I want to talk about the 6.4 liter Powerstroke short block. Now, one of the many nightmares that we hear about when clients come in is when they say, hey guys, I just had my 6.4 Powerstroke rebuilt and it's running like trash. It's got a shit ton of blow by, it's missing, it's making all kinds of noises. So that is when I kind of grind my teeth and I'm like, oh, I wish you would have never had this thing overhauled. So on these 6.4 short blocks, it is never a good idea to let a machine shop cut the cylinders oversized, especially if you're daily driving. Now, if you're running some horsepower build and you don't give a shit about none of that, by all means, do what you got to do. But on a daily driver work truck, you never want to oversize these cylinders, because on these 6.4 liter Powerstroke blocks, what happens is that these cylinders end up getting egg-shaped in the middle, or the cylinders end up cracking. And that can happen from a matter of months to a year or so. It is notorious for them to happen. So the way that we do them here is we'll get you an enhanced short block like you see here. This one is from Ford. The reason why they call it an enhanced short block is because it comes with a front cover, base oil pump, oil cooler, rear cover, and a rear main seal. And also the cylinders come standard size, so there's no oversized cylinders in these things, so they come with plenty of meat to give you the best durability. So this is the only real way that we like doing short blocks here on these 6.4s. Now, the other thing is, on the original short block of this truck, when we pulled the bed plates on the bearings had a lot of wear and tear, and the client elected to say, hey, you know what, let's go ahead and just get a new short block coming and be done with it. So that's why we did it this way. The other thing is, we sent his old cylinder heads out to our machine shop to have them checked, and they ended up being cracked. So the client elected to go with a new set of cylinder heads to go with this short block. We're going to be doing ARP studs on it as well, a new fuel system, and this thing is going to be ready to get back to work. This is the only way that we like doing short blocks on your 6.4 Powerstroke. Do not let any machine shop oversize these cylinders. And always, if you guys have any questions, always feel free to reach out. I'm always willing to chat. I'm always up for any debate. But again, this is from my personal experience. This is the very, very best way to take care of your 6.4 Powerstroke and to avoid future repeat failures. If you guys have any questions on any of the products we feature here, or if you have questions on your 6.4 Powerstroke, always feel free to reach out to us. Give us a call at the office or reach out on social media. We're always willing to help. Thank you guys. Peace.